7 delicious facts about chocolate. 1. Ancient origins. Chocolate has a rich history dating back thousands of years. The ancient Mayans and Aztecs were among the first to cultivate cacao trees and create a bitter beverage from roasted cacao beans. They believed it had divine properties. 2. Chocolate and mood. Chocolate is known for its mood-lifting properties. It contains several compounds that can stimulate the release of endorphins, the brain's natural feel-good chemicals. That's why many people find chocolate comforting and indulgent. 3. Health benefits of dark chocolate. Dark chocolate, particularly with a high cocoa content, 70% or more, has several health benefits. It is rich in antioxidants, which can help protect against cell damage and lower the risk of heart disease. Dark chocolate also contains minerals like iron, magnesium, and zinc. 4. Chocolate and romance. Chocolate has long been associated with romance and love. It's a popular gift on Valentine's Day, anniversaries, and other special occasions. The act of sharing and enjoying chocolate together can create a romantic and indulgent atmosphere. 5. Different types of chocolate. There are various types of chocolate available, each with its own unique characteristics. Milk chocolate, dark chocolate, and white chocolate are the most common. Milk chocolate contains milk powder or condensed milk, while white chocolate doesn't contain cocoa solids but is made from cocoa butter, sugar, and milk. 6. Chocolate's versatility. Chocolate is a versatile ingredient that can be used in a wide range of desserts, confections, and even savory dishes. It can be melted, tempered, and shaped into various forms, making it a favorite ingredient for bakers, pastry chefs, and chocolatiers. 7. Chocolate consumption worldwide. Chocolate is beloved worldwide. According to statistics, Switzerland has the highest chocolate consumption per capita, followed by Germany and Austria. However, chocolate is enjoyed by people in many countries, and its popularity continues to grow. Remember to enjoy chocolate in moderation as part of a balanced diet. While it can offer health benefits, it is still high in calories and should be consumed in moderation to maintain a healthy lifestyle.